So now let's see how we can generate waves animation inside of GIMP. So in order to generate waves animation, first of all, you need to go around onto the filters menu right here, and then you need to go around under animation. And over here you can see that waves is an option. So once you go around onto waves, you can change around the amplitude and the wavelength right here and change around the number of frames right here. So let's just go around and go for 35 frames per right here. You can also go for invert direction right here, just like this if you want. So let me just go around and press OK, and it starts generating out the frames right here. So you can see that it is generating out the individual frames right here. So it does take a bit of time depending on the number of frames that you generate. And now you can see that these are the waves right here, just like this. So if you want to go around and see them get animated, you need to go around onto filter, then onto animation, and then go around onto playback right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, then you can go around and press the play button, and this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the animation. You can go around and change out the speed right here to 2x or 4x right here for a more smoother option right here. And there's also like different options. So let me just go around over here just like this, and this is the animation that you have, as you can see right here. So that is how you can go around and then generate out waves animation by using GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.